Hi folks. So I'm out at Burke Trail doing my wonderful ride, and it's been a recent development. So my bike broke. Like, when I said broke, you're gonna have to see it. That's the bike. The bike is supposed to look like that when it's actually upright and functional. When I pick the bike up, the bike totally collapses. I was actually on it when this happened, and it just went down and completely collapsed. So decision point is to toss the bike, since I bought it in like 2000 and the bike is old, but it's one of my favorite bikes because it's heavy duty. It can take a lot of hits, but somewhere along the line something just snapped and the spring between it just pretty much just snapped. So do I repair it for who knows how much, or do I leave it alone? That is the million-dollar question. So don't know, but I know bike ride is over, and that's where I'm at. So anyway.